have a various example of a easy English conversation in a different situations that you're likely to use often. I do not believe that the memory can help you to be successful in learning English, but I believe that familiarity can do. Make yourself familiar with these conversations in a different situations below until you can automatically speak it. Expose yourself and keep talking. Change attitude. From my experience, this is the most common problems from anyone who wants to learn English. The point is that you should realize that your goal is to communicate with the people in English. You do not want to be an English professor or a professional translator. Well, if you want to be, please skip this article immediately. So do not worry about 100% correct grammar. It is acceptable for the beginner to say he don't know instead of the doesn't know, as long as the listener understands what you are trying to communicate. At least it is less annoyed for them to wait for you 1 minute to produce each perfect sentence. Expose yourself. This is steps means to expose yourself to English environment. Of course, it is better if you could come to US or UK to study or learn English, but I could say that you don't have to. This is the 21st century and the English is already everywhere. Movie, music, newspaper, articles, and hundred of the tourism who walks past you everywhere can be greatly learning sources. Another easy way is to go through the content of this website and ask if you have any questions. Keep talking. Whenever you have a chance to talk or to test your skills, just do it. You can even assume situations to talk yourself. Do not worry about the mistake. Everyone makes mistakes.